outrage as well over the Hathras horror. Congress President Sonia Gandhi has called it a murder by a ruthless government, and Mayawati wants Supreme Court to intervene. In the middle of all this, there was a hint from a BJP leader, Kailash Vijayvargiya. While assuring justice, he said that in UP, a car can overturn any time.
Political outrage over the Hathras incident. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra today called for CM Yogi Adityanath's resignation, saying that he had no moral right to continue as Chief Minister.
उसके परिवार के साथ कैसा व्यवहार किया कि अपनी बेटी की लाश आखिरी बार अपने घर नहीं ले जा पाए, उसकी चिता उसके पिता जला नहीं पाए, उनको एक कमरे में बंद किया और आप जिम्मेदारी नहीं ले रहे हैं। आप आज भी ये बयान दे रहे हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी के फोन करने के बाद आपने एसआईटी जारी की है। ये पहले क्यों नहीं किया गया?
उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार क्या कर रही थी? हफ्तों तक पीड़ित परिवार की न्याय की पुकार को सुना नहीं गया। पूरे मामले को दबाने की कोशिश की गई।
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi tweeted to say, all this is a shameful move of the UP government to suppress Dalits and show them their place in the society. Our fight is against this hateful thinking. BSP chief Mayawati tweeted and said, it would be better if Supreme Court takes suo motu cognizance of the case. Otherwise, going by the attitude of the UP government and the police in this heinous case, it seems that even after her death, neither the family will get justice nor will the accused face punishment. BJP leader Kailash Vijayvargiya, on the other hand, shockingly hinted at an encounter of the accused.
इसमें आरोपियों को गिरफ्तार कर लिया और फास्ट ट्रैक में कोर्ट जा रहा है और मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा सब्र करना चाहिए। वे सब लोग आरोपी जेल की शिक्षों में जाएंगे क्योंकि योगी जी जो वहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री हैं, मैं जानता हूँ कि उनके प्रदेश में कभी भी गाड़ी पलट जाती है।
The silence of Women and Child Development Minister Smriti Irani, who is also an MP from Amethi in Uttar Pradesh, has raised questions. In 2012, during UPA rule, Irani was a prominent face during the protests against the Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case and had asked for death penalty for the rapists. But now, during BJP rule, Irani has not said anything on the case and has only retweeted UP CM Yogi Adityanath's tweets on the case. Shiv Sena leader Priyanka Chaturvedi has also targeted Irani on her silence. She tweeted to say that the minister's silence is worrying and hopefully she has received the information and has issued orders to take strict action. National Commission for Women Chief Rekha Sharma condemned the overnight commission and declared that an explanation would be sought from the DGP of UP Police. It has been 8 years since the Nirbhaya incident, but things have not changed. According to the National Crime Records Bureau data of 2019, 87 rapes are reported every day in India, which means one rape is reported every 17 minutes. In New Delhi with camera person Pooja Arya, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.